This is a summary of the food studies topic, Keeping Food Safe, Good Practice. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key content of this course topic. There are rules for buying and storing food to follow. Ensure food safety by buying from reputable suppliers, storing at correct temperatures, and checking expiry dates. Prevent cross-contamination by separating raw and cooked foods, using separate utensils, and cooking food at the correct temperature. Practice good personal hygiene by washing hands regularly, covering cuts and grazes, and avoiding smoking or sneezing over food. A hygienic kitchen is a must. Strict hygiene is crucial to avoid cross-contamination from raw foods and maintain a safe kitchen environment. Good storage rules should be followed. Store food in the right place, at the right temperature, and use it within the recommended time frame to prevent spoilage and contamination. Good preparation and cooking practice is critical. Cook food thoroughly to kill bacteria, ensure proper temperature control, and wash fruits and vegetables before consuming. We need to understand rules for chilling, freezing, and defrosting. Keep prepared cold foods refrigerated, thaw food in the fridge, and cool leftovers within 2 hours to prevent food poisoning. Date coding is important. Understand and follow date coding on food packaging to ensure freshness and avoid consuming expired products. Is our food safe to eat? The Food Safety Act ensures that food is prepared, stored, and sold safely, with environmental health officers enforcing regulations. Safety in food production. All food producers must assess and mitigate risks, including biological, physical, and chemical hazards. Strict regulations govern food hygiene, temperature control, and risk assessment in the food industry to ensure consumer safety. Manufacturers will set up a safety system with critical control points following a hazard analysis.